All I want to say it's been a long journey since एक खुदा को मानता हूँ, 2 शादियाँ हुई हैं मेरी और 3 मैच फिक्स करने का इल्जाम है मुझ पर. And today is the theatrical trailer launch. So without much delay, so please announce it.
Can we give a big round of applause, please? Come on, guys.
To ask you 2 questions now, before they start their round of questions. Azhar bhai, what led you to give us the green signal for this film? Why did you want us to make this?
Very tough ask. Actually, I really wanted to clarify the event which occurred in my life. Actually, the press has been calling it as a biopic, but I would like to stress that it is not a biopic. It is a film which is made on the events which have happened or occurred during my playing days at that point of time. I just wanted to clarify to people that whatever has been said, I've gone through a lot. Like for so many years. It took 12 years to get to the case, and after that, when we won the case, then I thought when Ikra approached me, first of all, I was not very sure about it, but then I think it took a lot of persuasion from a lot of people. Then I discussed with so many people. I discussed with one of my best friends here, Anshul bhai. I want to thank him also. He was very instrumental in me saying yes to that film.
And also, like you said, in 2011, the court gave you an acquittal.
2012.
Yes, 2012, they gave you the clean chit.
That's right.
But despite of that, there are still some critics and detractors. What would you want to tell them?
I think you can't ask everyone to say good things about him. There are some people who are going to say things which are very ungainly or not very good to hear.
देखिए बहुत सारे चैलेंजेस थे जब हम रिसर्च कर रहे थे, तो ऑब्वियसली जब फ़ोन कॉल आया, जब एकता ने मुझे फ़ोन किया, तो मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई कि इन पे इनकी लाइफ में फिल्म बन रही है। लेकिन तभी उसके बाद वो खुशी कहीं डर में बदल गई, क्योंकि इनकी लाइफ इतनी इवेंटफुल रही है। एक तो इम्बाइबिंग अ कैरेक्टर ऑन स्क्रीन, जो फिल्म देखने वाले हैं जिस तरह बात करते हैं, जिस तरह चलते हैं, और जो मेन चीज़ थी वो थी उनकी क्रिकेटिंग स्किल्स। क्योंकि मैं इतना अच्छा क्रिकेटर नहीं हूँ। आई मीन हम सब इंडियंस हैं, तो यहाँ पे बैट बॉल रख दो तो हम सब खेले, वी स्टार्ट प्लेइंग इट। बट एक फॉर्म जो है, एक टेक्निकलिटी जो है, वो मुझ में नहीं था। लेकिन अजहर भाई हैज बीन वेरी पेशेंट। उन्होंने मुझे 2-3 महीने तक ट्रेनिंग दी, एंड ही मेड इट अ लॉट ईजियर।
अदर सर,
जी बोलिए।
हेलो हेलो अदर सर, आपसे सवाल है, इधर आपके स्ट्रेट सीधा अदर सर, इधर
India.
इंडिया।
हाँ पर वो दूर है।
अच्छा सर, सबसे पहला सवाल आपसे है कि आप सफेद हेलमेट क्यों पहनते थे, इसका जवाब चाहिए। सेकेंडली एक सवाल और है कि एक शॉट आपका है जो आप फ्लिक करते थे, क्या कहते हैं उसको, जो वीवीएस लक्ष्मण भी खेलते हैं लेफ्ट लेग ड्राइव पे, तो वो शॉट आपने ट्रेलर में नहीं दिखाया हमें, तो वो शॉट क्या फिल्म में होगा आपके?
देखिए, पहली बात तो व्हाइट हेलमेट इसलिए मैं पहनता था क्योंकि उस टाइम पे हमें जो भी हेलमेट मिलती थी हम पहन लेते थे। उस टाइम पे कोई ऐसा रूल नहीं था कि ब्लू हेलमेट ही पहने या और कोई अलग हेलमेट पहने। तो इसी वजह से मुझे सफेद कलर अच्छा लगता था, क्योंकि सफेद कपड़े होते थे, सफेद जूता होता था, सफेद पैजामे होते, सफेद पैंट, सफेद ग्लव। तो उसकी वजह से मैं सफेद हेलमेट पहनता था। बट लेकिन जो फ्लिक शॉट के जो बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, मुझे याद नहीं है मैं मुझे कैसे खेलता था, मैं तो भूल गया हूँ। पर लेकिन आप जब फिल्में देखेंगे तो शायद इमरान भाई मेरे से अच्छा खेलते हैं।
एक्चुअली वो फ्लिक शॉट है, इट गोज बाय वेरी फास्ट। टोनी, सेकंड दैट, अगर आप फास्ट कट्स देखें एंड में, एंड ऑब्वियसली इन द फिल्म इट हैज अ बिट ऑफ लेंथ।
Imran, yes. Imran. On your left. Sorry. Imran towards your right.
Yeah.
Hi.
Yes, hi.
The trailer really looks amazing. It has a mix of everything. Basically, what you all want to show through his life and through his journey till now.
Yes.
What has been your family's reaction to the trailer, to your look?
Well, they're
Did
going to
you
see
find
it.
convincing?
They're going to see, everyone's going to see it soon. But I'm sure they're going to love it. Because like you said, it has everything in it. It has, the look of the film, the emotion. And this is where we were, actually this was a huge responsibility on, I think, the entire team. That we were putting his life down on celluloid. And that's a huge responsibility. Eventually, there is an audience for whom we're making the film. But for me, it would be a battle won if, whenever Azhar Bhai sees the film, when the lights dim in the theater, and he watches the film and he comes out and says, you've done me proud. And this is how I would envision my life. That would be the best, bit of praise that I can get for the film. So I'm waiting for that day when he sees the first copy, which will be out soon.
इमरान,
I would like to call for Nagin Coffee on the stage.
Hey, Nargis.
Hi, sorry for my tardiness. I'm here. Hi, nice to see you.
इमरान,
Everybody.
I think apart from the film, it's just when I met him, obviously I have idolized him for the longest time. I'd seen him in the 80s and 90s. And what struck me when I met him, and we were doing the research, and I actually compiled 100 questions for him. And I used to keep bugging him every day with these questions. And I just felt that here there was a man who was extremely frank about the way he has been. He's led his life. And, it's just, sometimes you want to see yourself the way you want to see yourself, not in reality. And he was extremely cordial, he was extremely frank about those things, and a very, very sensitive person. Those are the things I admire about Azhar Bhai. And I've spent a lot of time with him over the past 1.5 years. And a lot of things can be said, but these are the two things: a very frank person and a very sensitive person.
And any similarity you find between you and Azhar Bhai?
Well, I've tried to imbibe the similarities. I don't know. Flick shot. That was the toughest, actually. My wrists, I had to ice them every day because it was very tough. I used to work out, I used to lift weights, and because Azhar Bhai used to not lift weights, he said that he's against that
When I was playing.
when you were playing at that time, and there was a certain agility and a flexibility. So I had to like detrain for like 3 months and just train to get that fixed shot. So it took me 4 months to get that. So it's almost a choreographed action, and we eventually got it.
Azhar, it's a really good thing that you have been declared innocent by the court. But why were you targeted in the first place? Who were your enemies at that time?
I think it's been pretty long time now, so I don't blame anybody. I think that it was destiny which had me on the mat. But anyways, to come out of that, it was very, very pleasing. I was very happy for my family, for my son, my father, my mother, everybody, and all the fans, all the people who really, helped me in whatever way they came in hordes to watch the matches. And I think I felt that, it was the right thing when I went to the court, when we won the case. That was icing on the cake.
Also, Imran and Nargis.
Nice to see with everyone.
It's not a problem.
No.
There's nothing new for him. Ask me something new.
No. My question is not finished. They have some kissing scenes. Obviously, they are portraying your life. Were you okay with those lovemaking scenes? Or
But I
did you
think
want them to come down?
with Imran Hashmi, actually it's not a love-making scene. It was pretty, I think it was very tough. But anyways, with Imran Hashmi, you expect that. If you go there and Imran Hashmi is not doing that, you will come out very disappointed. What do you reckon?
Ekta played under Azhar sir.
So that's completely going to be decided later. I'm sure we will show a lot of players the film because it's quite a celebration not only of cricket but of what happens when you are doing so well and suppose one game goes wrong, you get blamed for so many things. So yeah, a lot of cricketers will be seeing the film, but many don't want to see the film. I think many would not want to see the film. So yeah, that would be there too.
Anthony, many other players were involved.
So we try to go close to a lot of things, but there's certain sympathetic effort you've taken too.
But have you fictionalized the event? Is there anything fiction or?
See the movie, make no sense that way.
आपसे पूछना चाहूँगी कि इसके पहले कि आप ब्रेन सिग्नल इन लोगों को दे इसके पहले आपने कभी संगीता जी से इस बारे में बात की आपने इस फिल्म के लिए हाँ बोला
देखिए, मैं सबसे बात करके डिसीजन लिया. कभी अकेला डिसीजन लेना देखिए बहुत मुश्किल होता है. तो मैं कैप्टन हूँ, तो मैं पूरे 11 लोगों का पूरा व्यू पॉइंट लेके देखिए उनसे बात करके तो जब भी डिसीजन लेना था. आपको याद होगा कि 93 वर्ल्ड हीरो कप में हम लोग जब ने मैच साउथ अफ्रीका के साथ जीता था, तो हमारी आप देखिए थे लास्ट ओवर था, 5 रन बाकी थे, हमारी पूरी टीम जमा हो गई थी. पूरी टीम का डिसीजन था कि तेंदुलकर बॉलिंग करना. तो तेंदुलकर ने बॉलिंग किया. तो मैं समझता हूँ कि सभी से एडवाइस लिया हूँ, तो इसी वजह से आज ये फिल्म आई.
हाय स्नेहा, मेरा सवाल आपसे कि आप आईपीएल के भी ब्रॉडकास्टर हैं, तो इस फिल्म को आईपीएल के दौरान भी प्रमोट किया जाएगा वाइल कॉन्वर्सेशन जो होते हैं बीच में?
जी बिल्कुल.
तो क्या प्लानिंग है एग्जैक्टली, किस तरीके से प्रमोट करेंगे?
Watch the IPL, you'll see.
इमरान, यही ऑडी था जहां से शुरुआत हुई थी आई थिंक 6-8 महीने पहले जब पहला एक टीजर छोड़ा गया.
जी
तब से लेकर
हाँ, ISD ज़्यादा शूटिंग की है. बट एक बहुत ही टफ जर्नी रहा है, क्योंकि तभी तो हमने सिर्फ वॉक शूट किया था और बैक टू कैमरा शॉट था. लेकिन उसके बाद वी केम डाउन टू एक्चुअली शूटिंग, और हमने लंदन में शूटिंग की, एजबैस्टन, डार्बिशर, हैदराबाद में जो इनका होम टाउन है. तो बहुत नर्वस था मैं, क्योंकि क्रिकेटिंग पोर्शंस ऑब्वियसली दे मेड मी द मोस्ट नर्वस, क्योंकि सब लोगों ने अजहर भाई को देखा है, उनके मैनरिज्म्स हैं ऑन फील्ड, उनके न्यूएंसेस हैं, तो उन चीज़ों को एम्बाइब करना. एंड अगर इस फिल्म में अगर आपने कुछ गलत कर दिया तो एक तरह से एक बहुत ही ज़्यादा क्रिटिसिज्म हो सकता है. तो उस चीज़ को दिमाग में रखकर नोटिंग वेरी वेरी माइन्यूट थिंग्स अबाउट अजहर भाई, फ्रॉम द वॉक टू द वे ही यूज्ड टू ईट, द वे ही यूज्ड टू स्पीक, तो ये सब चीज़ें मैंने इम्बाइब करनी शुरू की. He hardly ate, that's why I'm hardly eating in the film also. But I almost became his stalker. When we were actually playing cricket, I think he caught me staring at him eerily and trying to just see what, everything, every nuance. So I think I made his life hell for those 3-4 months.
एक खास लहजा भी है हैदराबाद का जो ट्रेलर में सुनाई
जी, इसमें है, पोर्शंस में है, जो जब हैदराबाद का पोर्शन है इस फिल्म में, जो इनके चाइल्डहुड से लेकर जब वो 20 के थे, 21 थे, तो वो पोर्शन में थोड़ा ज्यादा लहजा है.
नरगिस, आपने वो ओए ओए वाला गाना सुना था पहले? आप अगर हिंदी में
Heard it before? Yes, I have.
तो उस समय और इस समय क्या क्या डिफरेंसेस अगर आप बता सकें? On your right.
Sorry, what did you say?
again?
मैंने हिंदी में पूछा कि उस गाने में इस गाने में कितना परिवर्तन है, तब्दीली है?
As in, watch the film and you'll find out.
सब कुछ अगर फिल्म देख के ही पता करेंगे तो फिर आज कुछ आपसे भी तो पूछना चाहेंगे.
Hi, Tony, मेरा सवाल आपसे है. आप
A lot of people are not aware of the verdict of the court. So the idea was to portray what is the fact actually happened to the court. So we are hoping that people see and they judge him the way they should judge him after.
टैगलाइन की बात कर रहे थे तो आपसे जानना चाहेंगे लव हिम हेट हिम जज हिम, ये जहन में कौन सी बात आती है जब ये टैगलाइन आपको सुनाया गया या जब आप सुनते हैं?
लव हिम आएंगे और दूसरे तो कोई दिमाग में आया नहीं.
इमरान आपने जन्नत में मैच फिक्सिंग का रोल किया था, अभी आप रियल लाइफ हीरो का रोल प्ले कर रहे हैं, तो आपकी लाइफ में क्रिकेट कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है?
Well, बहुत important रहा है. You know, I've grown up watching Azhar Bhai in the 80s, 90s, जब वो कैप्टन थे, and I think those were the glory days of cricket. कि तभी ज़्यादा forms भी नहीं थे entertainment के, and whenever your family used to sit and watch, there was this very concentrated approach, and everyone used to sit and watch the match. ज़्यादा internet नहीं था, ज़्यादा programs नहीं थे, so it was just a great time for cricket. और जब India और पाकिस्तान के matches भी हुआ करते थे, it was just very, very entertaining. So those are the memories of cricket, and obviously cricket is still great. But I was very honored जब मुझे ये role मिला to portray his life.
Imran, there were reports that your family was not happy with the first poster.
No, that's not true. Like I gave the quote today, maybe it was misconstrued when I said they were shocked. That doesn't mean they didn't like it. They were surprised, and in a nice way, because that's what my wife told me in the morning. She loved the poster. She found it very unique, and she said she definitely wants to see the film.
इमरान, इंडियन टीम की ब्लू जर्सी पहनने के बाद क्या कुछ महसूस कर रहे थे आप?
Very proud.
Imran, here. Imran, when this match fixing scandal broke out way back in the 90s, and when Azhar Bhai's name got embroiled in it, what was your reaction? Did you at that time believe that Azhar is innocent?
No, I didn't. You see, the thing is, there were fans of Azhar Bhai that gave him the support that he obviously deserved at that point of time. There are also certain people that like to jump the gun and play judge, jury and executioner when they say that, okay, probably he has done it. But they didn't even follow the court case, and eventually it was kind of a vindication when he won the court case. So I believe in following a certain, the way the law has to function, let it take its course. And that happens not just with him, it's happened with every celebrity, every sports person around the world. It's very high profile, and people do reach their own judgment, which I think is extremely unfair. We should let the court have its hearing and then decide. We might not agree with the court's verdict, but we have to accept it.
Azhar, cricket and Bollywood often go hand in hand with each other. We have seen many cricketers date Bollywood actors. One person who has been at the receiving end for dating a Bollywood actress is Virat Kohli, whose failure sometimes gets his girlfriend into the picture, and criticism happens on social media. What would your advice be to him? How should he tackle it? How should he react to it?
I think the press should tackle better than what Virat Kohli should tackle, because I think this is personal life, because you cannot really, talk about all those things, because I think he's performing well on the field. As a player, you really have to look at what he's doing as a cricketer. His performance has been outstanding, and I think whatever he does in his private life, I think you have to leave it to him, because sometimes we get too judgmental, and then, I think that's what happened. I think if the things are true that there was some problem in the relationship, I think it's because of the tough time which is posed by the press.
Hi Tony, Gaurav from Midday. I have two questions, one for you, one for facts, and whatever it's been reported around Azhar Bhai. There were there are a lot of reports about players, basically team players revolting against him, or the fights between him and the other players, and also about the political career which he had. So are we just gonna see the controversial side of it, or just the fixing side of it, or will there be some glimpses of all these things? And second question is for Imran. If you want to answer this first.
Yeah, I think everyone talks only about the fixing. There's a lot more to his life than just fixing. He's the only person to score 100 in his first and last match, 300 in a row. we got to celebrate him as a cricketer also. So this film is not only about a certain aspect of his life, it's the entire journey of life that has happened. As far as players who didn't support him or supported him, I think the film answers all that. And
he's standing right here.
Thank you.
Imran, towards your left.
Sony would be distributing the film. Sorry? What sort of release are you planning for the film? It is a solo release and there is no big film releasing around.
A little later. इमरान, towards your left. मेरा सवाल आपसे इस ट्रेलर लॉन्च से थोड़ा हटकर है. आपकी क्लोज फ्रेंड कंगना, शी इज सेलिब्रेटिंग द नेशनल अवार्ड, बट ऑफ लेट उनकी पर्सनल लाइफ को लेकर काफी कुछ. जस्ट वांटेड टू गेट योर व्यू बिकॉज
बाद में प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस के बाद आप वन ऑन वन विल डू इट.
Hi Nargis. Nargis, how did you prepare yourself for the Sangeeta's role? Did you speak to Sangeeta or anything like that?
Loud. No, unfortunately I didn't get to meet Sangeeta, but I did watch her films, and with the help of the team here, I learned about the stories that went on, and of course we have the internet, so I can research now, which I love the internet. So I used all of that to imbibe her character. Oh, I did my best. I hope I did all right. Let's see.
Hi Prachi.
Yeah, her Hindi is very good. Mine is not.
Her Hindi is also very good.
It's okay.
Prachi, यहाँ पे.
What I want to understand. Yeah, what I want to understand.
Left side. Right side. Sorry. यहाँ सामने. Hi अनुज्ञा, न्यूज़ ऑनलाइन से. मेरा सवाल ये है कि आप अजहर जी की फर्स्ट टाइम से मिले थे आपको जब ये रोल दिया गया था, और ये सेकंड फिल्म है आपकी इमरान जी के साथ.
Yeah, it only gets better. जी मैं मिली हूँ नौरीन से, एंड एक्चुअली ऑनेस्टली पहले मेरे लिए आई थिंक इट वाज अ लिटिल स्कैरी व्हेन आई गॉट टू नो दैट आई हैव टू प्ले नौरीन, बिकॉज उनके बारे में कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन कहीं पर अवेलेबल नहीं है. सो यू नो आई हैड टू कम्प्लीटली रिलाई ऑन द सोर्सेज थ्रू ऑफ कोर्स टोनी, व्हाटएवर दैट आई गॉट टू नो अबाउट हर. बट उनसे मिलने के बाद ऑनेस्टली मेरे जितने भी प्रिजम्पशंस थे, इट जस्ट गॉट क्लियर लाइक कम्प्लीटली, एब्सोल्युटली. So I think after meeting her, I'm completely in awe with her. I think she's way more a lovely person than I imagined her to be. And उनके जितने भी characteristics है, I tried to imbibe them in the film. I mean, बहुत सारी चीज़ें थी जो मुझे लगी कि जैसे मुझे बोला गया था कि वो बहुत I think shy है, बहुत कम बोलते हैं, मगर ऐसा नहीं है. I think she has a beautiful gaze when she talks, and there were a lot of things that I observed. So I'm very glad that I actually got to meet her. And yeah.
आपकी सेकंड फिल्म है इमरान जी के साथ जी, तो कुछ एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करना चाहेंगी? ऑन सेट कैसे रहते हैं अजहर जी? ऑन स्क्रीन अजहर जी,
ऑन स्क्रीन के जो अजहर हैं, I think he plays cricket gorgeously now, and I just think this film, his performance in this film is going to blow your mind absolutely. And उनके साथ काम करके this experience was even better because उनका जो sense of humor है और nasty हो गया है. So it was a lot of fun actually shooting with him. Yeah.
मेरा सवाल अजहर जी से है, जब आपका बुरा वक्त चल रहा था, लेकिन जब आपका बुरा वक्त चल रहा था तो किस क्रिकेटर ने आपको सपोर्ट किया और उनको आप पे विश्वास था, या कोई और पर्सन?
देखिए, तीन लोग ऐसे थे जो मुझे टोटल सपोर्ट मिला. जो राज सिंह साहब, जो मेरे ख्याल में राज सिंह गंगापुर साहब जो प्रेसिडेंट थे बोर्ड के, उन्होंने बहुत मुझे सपोर्ट किया. और कमल मुरारका साहब ने भी बहुत मुझे सपोर्ट किया. और क्रिकेटर्स में कपिल पाजी ने सब में ज़्यादा मुझे सपोर्ट किया. तो मैं समझता हूँ ये तीन लोग उस वक्त मुझे बहुत सपोर्ट किया, और मैं उनका बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ. मैं अगर कितना भी शुक्रिया अदा करूँ, मैंने समझता हूँ कि उनका शुक्रिया अदा कर सकूँगा, क्योंकि उस वक्त बहुत टफ था. बहुत से लोग अगेंस्ट भी बोल रहे थे, बहुत से लोग अलग अलग किस्म की बातें हो रही थी, बट लेकिन ये तीन लोग ने मुझे सपोर्ट किया. मैं उनका बहुत शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ. और जो लोग सपोर्ट नहीं किया, देखिए ये तो अपना हर आदमी का एक पर्सनल नजरिया होता है, और मैं समझता हूँ उसको वहीं पे छोड़ देना चाहिए.
और घर पे किसका सपोर्ट था?
पूरे जने सपोर्ट करें,
तो
ये तो बहुत आसान.
और इमरान जी, आपको ये रोल जब मिला तो आपकी नींद उड़ गई कि?
जैसे मैंने कहा कि इस फिल्म के लिए जब सब लोगों ने अजहर भाई को स्टडी किया 80s और 90s जब भी खेल रहे थे, मैंने भी स्टडी किया, तो अगर क्रिटिसिज्म आना है तो एक बहुत ही बड़ा क्रिटिसिज्म आ सकता है. तो लेकिन एक पूरी टीम का सपोर्ट था. आई वुडंट से हैव डन दिस ऑन माय ओन. बहुत सारे लोग थे, एक हमारी पूरी डायरेक्शन डिपार्टमेंट, प्रोडक्शन, द कॉस्ट्यूम्स, ऑल दीज थिंग्स हेल्प.
और ऑब्वियसली जब ट्रेन कर रहे थे तो अजहर भाई भी थे, तो बहुत लोगों ने मेहनत की मेरे साथ, एंड इवेंचुअली आपको दिख रहा है स्क्रीन पे। और ऑब्वियसली अब फिल्म देखेंगे तो आप वर्डिक्ट्स देखेंगे।
तो कुछ खास देखा आपने?
I think Imran is one of the most amazing actors I worked with. बहुत अच्छे उम्दा इंसान है और एक controversial yet good-hearted cricketer का रोल अगर कोई कर सकता है, and who has the mass India even today in love with him, it would have been one of the Khans or Imran. So we chose Imran.
Lara, was it the only character which is a fictional one? Because everyone had a reference for them.
It's, I think it's a bit of a blessing, but as well as a backstab, because at the end of the day, everybody has references to draw, and I didn't. But I know at the end of the day, I'm playing a prosecuting lawyer, and we were talking about Imran's sizzling chemistry with all the women. So I think I'm the only one who took him literally from the frying pan into the fire in this film. So sizzling, he's really felt. It's come from this way. But I think Tony helped a lot. We went over a lot of the information that related to the case. We really sat down and observed people within the profession. And, I had a very clear character graph to play. Like I said, I literally do play a capital word that you don't say in public but starts with a B, and so she is somebody who's very sort of hard-hitting, and I think it was more challenging for me because she asked the questions that I think millions of Indian fans want to ask of Azhar. So through this film, she's that voice, and that was a huge responsibility.
ट्रेलर में एक सीन है,
पाकिस्तान का भी फैन हूँ ऑन द क्रिकेट फील्ड, तो मैं ये नहीं चाहूंगा कि कोई हमसे नाराज हो, बट इट्स ऑल इन गुड ह्यूमर।
हाय लारा,
आप उनके हस्बैंड से पूछिए।
You have to have something to look forward to, right, in future films that you do. So we'll see.
तो कलरफुल कहानी है इनकी, आपको तो पता है।
इमरान, अजहर भाई
सीन्स बहुत अच्छे रहेंगे।
अजहर भाई, इमरान, अजहर का तो ट्रेलर हमने सबने देखा, सबको पसंद आया, बट साथ ही कह सकते हैं एक ही जो क्रिकेटर की लाइफ पर बेस्ड फिल्म है, तो दो आ रही हैं, तो कंपटीशन हो सकता है आपस में।
बिल्कुल कंपैरिजन नहीं कर सकते। मैं जहाँ तक मैं सोचता हूँ कि कंपैरिजन नहीं होनी चाहिए, बिकॉज उन्होंने अपनी फिल्म बना रहे हैं, हम हमारी फिल्म बनाए, तो हम हमारी फिल्म के बारे में बात करेंगे ताकि
Azhar, towards your right. Azhar here. Basically, as we have two biopics, on cricketers, on you, and then we have on MS Dhoni. Any other cricketer whose life you think can be an interesting thing to watch? Maybe someone of your times or from the current crop of cricketers?
I'm not thinking on those lines, so it's very hard for me to say. Right after this thing, it's very hard for me to find out whose life should be shown on the screen. I really don't know. It depends on the individual, to be very honest.
इस कंट्रोवर्सी के बाद आपने किसी क्रिकेटर को गाइड करने की कोशिश की कि इस तरीके की कंट्रोवर्सीज उनके साथ ना हो जो आपने फेस किया?
नहीं, देखिए आजकल बिल्कुल प्लेयर्स जिम्मेदार हैं, उनको पता है क्या है, कैसे अपने आप को बिहेव करना, तो मैं समझता हूँ मेरे को इतनी ज़्यादा कहने की जरूरत नहीं है।
What was so special about this film that
which is the center part of all?
It is not very imperative for me to talk on those lines, because I think he was a very outstanding player. He's done so much for his country. I think he's still one of the most successful captains South Africa has ever produced. So I think may his soul rest in peace. That's what I can say, because it's not very easy for me to say on that count.
But would a film on his life as well, or probably would he be also seen in the film, or would a film on his life as well?
I'm sure he would have seen, but I think on his life film, he had to decide. If he was alive.
So every serial of mine releases in Pakistan and does better there. So I don't think there'll be a problem, because I don't think there's one reference against Pakistan. So except for what you saw in the promo, which is not really a reference against Pakistan. I think Pakistan will revel in this film because it's about cricket and it's about a loved cricketer who's been loved universally.
Who is that Pakistani player who invites Azhar to get into the match?
What? No. No. Neha, no. They just
Lost last night.
What do you think? Who are the possible teams who could win?
Well, I think it's going to be a very tough match. You know, I'd say 60-40 in favor of West Indies. I think after tomorrow is the game. I think West Indies really.